Hi ladies, as a holistic practitioner, I want to talk about something that's very important and it's part of my daily lifestyle, which are vitamins and supplements and which ones that I highly recommend to take. I try not to complicate things when it comes to taking daily supplements because we all have the time issue, right? We're always on a rush trying to head out the door. But it's essential, right? Especially as we get older, we want to get supplements that are good for our hormones, to balance our hormones, for your digestive system, for your hair, for your skin, for your energy, for just your overall immune system. So these are my top go-to that I absolutely do on a daily basis that I highly recommend. Well, we all know we need collagen for our skin, our nails, our hair, overall beauty. Another one that I highly recommend, psyllium husk powder, especially for your digestive system. If you have any type of cholesterol issues, I highly recommend that. Very good for your gut, getting your gut healthy. That's a good one. Turmeric and ginger are absolutely on top of my list. I actually do a shot of this with orange, lemon, and honey every morning. These have powerful antioxidants that are extremely beneficial for your overall immune system. It will help you not get sick. They're also anti-inflammatory and it's just overall amazing for your health. Then we got chia seeds that has omega-3 that are very good for, again, for your immune system. Another one that I take that I highly recommend is ashwagandha. Ashwagandha is absolutely amazing for your hormones, for your mental clarity, for your mood levels. It just gives you an immense amount of energy that it just lasts the entire day. It's absolutely one of my favorites. Omega-3, fish oil, we all know how important that is for you. Apple cider vinegar, it really does help your blood sugar levels, weight, really good for your immune system. It helps in a lot of different levels. So this is one that I take every day. Magnesium. Magnesium, if you are a woman and 35 plus trying to get into that perimenopause, menopause age, you definitely want to take magnesium. It is absolutely essential for your hormones. And then we got coconut oil for brain, heart functionalities, amino acids. You know, I do a lot more, but I would say these are my top supplements and vitamins that I take on a daily basis because it just overall helps me with everything that has to do with preventing diseases, my immune system, my hormones, and just overall health. I hope you ladies enjoy this. And if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. And if you absolutely like this and find this valuable, like and subscribe to my channel.